is Christmas 2009. Good morning. Uh-oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. The dogs are running. They're coming. They're coming. Hang the corner. Rita, get out of the way. Oh. Come on. It's Christmas. Come on.
Christmas!
Get out of the way, puppies.
Isla is 15 months. Almost 16 months.
Ooh, new toys. Ooh. Is that a new one? Did Santa bring you a thingy? Fancy. Hey.
What's this? Dog. Say it again. What is that one? What is it called? Is it a dog? Dog? Can you push the button? Grandma gave us this one, huh? Ready?
Gary. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, put it down. Eat it, Roxy.